Mirage by McKay and Radu Hahaianu review, demo, and $3,125 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com, and this is my Mirage review, a brand new product released by McKay and Radu Hahaianu. Now these guys are amazing marketers, they have a lot of amazing products under their belt, and this one is no different. And what this one will do, first of all, it will allow you to create amazing looking images, and you can use these for yourself or just use them for clients. Secondly, it will actually allow you to install a WordPress plugin on your website and create interactive images which will be connected to like an email list, for example. So you can monetize it in a bunch of different ways. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in this review video. And as always, we're going to go through the sales page, the inside of the members area, the funnel, pricing. And again, I have a huge $3,125 bonus, including some custom stuff, including software, including WS of the Day awarded products. So no PLR stuff, only real products you're going to get from myself. And even before we're going to jump into the review, let me mention, if you've purchased any product through my affiliate link and you didn't get a bonus, just send me an email, and my email is showing on the screen right now with your receipt, and I'm going to make sure to send it to you. Okay, so make sure to do that right now. And in the end of this video, I'm also going to show you actually how to claim the bonus, because all the bonuses are always automatically delivered with the download if you're using my affiliate link. Okay, so let me share on my screen and let's jump into this Mirage review. And as always, you know what I like to do? I like to go to Fiverr and see how much people are charging for a service that you could be delivering with Mirage. So I just typed in custom image. So just for creating images, as you can see, people are charging anywhere from $5 to $50. So this guy says, I will design custom amazing listing images that convert, 1,000 gigs sold for $50. I will create 10 brilliant custom Pinterest pin images, $15, 130 sold. So, you know, even if you're going to do nothing else but just create images for people on Fiverr or anywhere else, you can make a lot of money. And also I found some extra gigs. So this product actually will allow you to create interactive images for squeeze pages and download pages. Okay, so as you can see, this guy says, I will design highly converted opt-in form landing page, and he charges anywhere from $5 to $45. Okay, so obviously depending on the package, he charges a different amount. And this guy as well, I will create stunning landing pages, sales, and opt-in pages with WordPress, and again anywhere from 5 to 85 euro, which is like $100. Okay, so you can make a ton of cash this way. Even if you don't want to do this for yourself, you can just use Mirage for other people and sell a simple service on Fiverr or anywhere else. So with that being said, let's check out the sales page. And as you can see, it says, never again pay high fees for graphics, banners, and ads that look ugly. New jaw-dropping done-for-you tech lets you create and monetize stunning designs, graphics, and images with the push of a button. Now, this monetize part is very, very important. You're gonna understand this part when you will watch the full demo. Okay, so I'm going to do a little demo right here in this video, but I'm going to have a full demo as always both on my YouTube channel and on my blog. So check it out, and you will actually see how to install this plugin and actually connect it to your autoresponder and create these interactive images. Okay, so as always, you can check out the video right here. I just wanted to scroll down. So 3 steps: you're gonna log in, then you're gonna start any monetization, and obviously then you're gonna publish the graphics and start making money. So you know, these guys have tons of templates and graphics included. You can use any of these. Scrolling down here, some testimonials right here. Mirage, this is the name of this product, and it was released again by Radu Hahaianu and McKay. So they're just explaining how many different images you're getting, some testimonials. Again, scrolling down here, you can go through all of this in your own time. This is the demo that you definitely need to check out. And again, I'm going to have the same demo both on my blog and on my YouTube channel as always for you guys. Some more testimonials. Again, Mirage and these guys will have some bonuses. You're gonna get my bonuses on the top of whatever is mentioned right here on the sales page, okay? And right now let's check out the inside of the members area. Now this is what you will see when you log in, and you can create a number of different images. As you can see, you know, we have all of these. You have albums, you have brand new images, and you can edit all of these, okay? So you have a bunch of different templates you can start using. And let's just click on new, and let's create a new photo right now, just to show you exactly how this works. So let's create. We're gonna upload something, and we can actually use something from the library right here, or we can just upload it from our computer. So let me just find something that would make sense. You know, we can use this. As you can see, you can make it bigger, smaller, you know, we can do whatever you want with it. So let's just make it a little bit bigger here. You know, we can move this around, we can stretch it, we can do whatever we want. So obviously, so right now let me just add some maybe drawings, maybe something like this. And let's say you want someone to buy now, and obviously you can add text, you can add different images, you can do a bunch of different things. So as you can see, you got the basics, we got the text, we got drawing, we got filters, we got shapes, we got stickers, and then we can upload any other image, okay? So obviously, you know, let's add this one as well here. And obviously you're gonna have to save it, then you can save it on your computer, and again, so there are unlimited things that you can do with it. Again, you got shapes, filters, drawings, you can do whatever you want, whatever your client wants you to do, whatever you need to create. So again, you don't actually have to spend money on these images yourself. And you know, I started on Fiverr, and I actually was making money for a long time creating images like this from templates. So even if you have no design skills, you can still make money creating these simple images for other people, and you know, just even make your first dollar online this way, okay? So this is exactly how to create these images. Now in this video, I'm not going to show you how to create these interactive images for squeeze pages and opt-in pages, because I would have to install this plugin. Now again, you can watch the full demo, but essentially you can create amazing looking opt-in pages with pop-ups, with pop-unders, and all of this is interactive. So you know, you're gonna create clickable buttons and everything else. Amazing, especially for squeeze pages. And again, just going back to Fiverr, you know, you can charge a lot of money for these features if you are going to do this for someone else, okay? So this is how the inside of the members area looks like. Obviously, we're gonna get tons of video training, both on how to actually use the software and how to monetize it. And with my bonuses, you're actually gonna see how to monetize it even further, but my bonus will be mentioned in the end of this video. Let's go through the pricing right now. So as you can see, the main product will be $16.93. This is the early bird price. Crazy low price. Keep in mind that if you would like to pay for any of these images, you would have to pay at least $5 per image. You can create hundreds, if not thousands, you know, of these images whenever you want. You don't have to wait for anyone to deliver them. And obviously, you know, if you're going to be charged at least $5 to $10 per image, you can make a ton of money selling these images, okay? Then we have audio number 1, that's the pro version, $37. Audio number 2, $47, that's a done for you pack. And then audio number 3, a reseller's license for $57. Now, as always guys, I have a full written review, including a breakdown of the funnel right here, so let's check it out. The Mirage Pro will include an unlimited version. So the regular version has some limitations, but Mirage Pro, there are absolutely no limitations. You can install Mirage Pro on any of your personal sites or your client's site, so you can charge additionally for that. So again, you can install and use unlimited sites for your clients. You can access unlimited campaigns for unlimited graphics, and you're gonna get unlimited images hosted, edited, and monetized, okay? So this is something additional. This is something that you don't really need, but if you really want to take it all the way and make even more money, especially with your clients, that's $47 for Mirage Pro. Then we have Mirage done for you pack for $47, and this is a done for you pack that will automate start to finish and will get you big commissions. And this actually comes with done for you affiliate reviews, and you can just copy and paste them, include your affiliate link, and start making money. Okay, so huge done for you pack, a huge time saver, and it's only $47, so pretty cool. And then we have Mirage agency for $67. So this is essentially an agency license which allows you to sell this product as your own and keep 100% of the profits. Obviously this will be for the whole funnel, so just not just the main product, the whole funnel. Me promoting this as an affiliate, I'm making 50% commissions. You can make 100% commissions, and all you have to do is just pick up this upsell for $67. Okay, and then we have the last one, Mirage IMX for $67 as well, and this is additional methods for making money online, from video marketing, product creation, SEO, email marketing, and much more. So if you want to just skyrocket your sales, skyrocket the amount of money that you're making, and even enjoy some passive profits, that's additional training for $67. Pretty cool as well. So again, as always, I have a full written review for guys right here on my blog, so you can check it out. So if you're watching on YouTube right now, the first link in the description will take you directly to the sales page, and obviously you're gonna get my bonus because everything is hard coded and will be delivered to you automatically. The second link in the description will take you to my blog, and if you're on my blog, you just have to click on one of these blue links to get it through my link. Now let me show you all of the bonuses you're gonna get. Now I know that some of you guys are clicking on the first link in the description from YouTube before the product goes live, and before the product goes live, the link will not work. Okay, so I always say when the product is actually going live. So this product is going live at 10 a.m. Eastern on November 18th. Okay, so the first link in the description will only start working after the product is already live. And obviously, again, just use my link to get all of these bonuses, and I'm going to mention all of these $3,000 plus bonuses right now. So the first two bonuses are custom made for this promotion, and this is everything you need to know about selling on Fiverr and selling as a freelancer. Okay, so I made a lot of money on Fiverr and as a freelancer back in the day, so I really know what to sell, how to sell it, where to sell it, etc. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it with these first two bonuses. And this is perfect for Mirage because obviously you can create these images, you can create these opt-in pages, and just do it for other people. So this just makes a lot of sense, especially if you are brand new online, and if you you don't have a full-time online business yet. Okay, then I'm also going to give you secret SEO hacks. I'm also going to give you some actually pieces of software. Okay, so you're gonna get Control Plus, which is a software bonus #1 plus reseller's license. Okay, you're also gonna get software bonus #2 plus reseller's license called VidPix Pro and Logo Studio, so additional way for you to make some money creating logos. You're also gonna get VidConnect, which is again a software bonus #4 plus reseller's license, and software bonus #5 and a reseller's license, Vid Promo Pages, and the sixth one, you're gonna get Facebook Vidmatic. So you're actually getting 6 pieces of software with a reseller's license. Okay, now it's time for some W's of the day awarded courses. Rapid Niche Profits, you're gonna get targeted traffic, cache search, newbie traffic formula, and 12 additional bonuses. Now you're gonna get local SEO leverage, new age SEO, black hat SEO, get Google traffic with reseller lights, backlink basics, traffic explosion, 10 steps auditing SEO, SEO skills mastery, traffic inclination, recurring income course, targeting Instagram video course, and product creation formula. And on top of this, you're also gonna get Udemy Profits, video opt-in, that's a plugin, and all of these are plugins. Okay, so you're gonna get Blogbook, Buzz Machine, Flash Pages, Link Tweet, Scarcity Lock, and Squeeze Question. Now that's a total of 31 bonuses worth $1,625, and on top of all of this, you're gonna get my mega bonus. And my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses. Okay, so my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500, and together with all the bonuses I just mentioned, that will bring it up to a total of $3,125. Now you're gonna get all of these bonuses for free, again, just for picking up this product through my link. And if you want to pick it up through my link, just click on one of these blue links on my blog, and again, you can go directly to the sales page from my YouTube video if you click on the first link, but it will only start working at 10 a.m. Eastern on November 18th. Now, I got some messages from you guys about not getting my bonus, and they might be two reasons for that. Okay, first of all, you didn't pick any course through my link. Okay, because if you did pick up a course from my link, you should be getting it automatically, and I'm going to show you exactly how. Okay, so if you got a course through Warrior Plus, all you have to do is just click on purchase history right here, and you find the product that you bought through my link, or you think you bought through my link. You can just open the product, and right here below this green button that will allow you to access it, you should be able to access my bonus. Okay, now all of my bonuses are delivered automatically, so you don't have to email me, you don't have to show me any receipts. If you got it from my link, you should be able to see it right here. And for JVZoo products, all you have to do is just access your purchases, and obviously this is the same exact thing. Under this access your purchase, you're gonna see a bonus right here, so you can access it in the same way both on JVZoo and on Warrior Plus. If for some reason you got a product from my link and you still didn't get the bonuses in this way, please email me. My email is on the screen right now, so we're gonna figure out if you actually got it from my link or not. And so I'm always here to help you guys, and just remember, all of my bonuses are always delivered automatically, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay, now if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm always here to help. If you're watching on YouTube, please give it a like. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe to this channel for reviews just like this one, and I will be seeing you very shortly in the next review video. Ciao.